Hello guys, welcome to the TechDayEveryday channel. Today I would like to show you my test and comparison of two 6S Pizza Pro batteries from CNHL. The batteries are very similar with only slightly different capacities, C rates, dimension and weight. I want to show you how they perform in the air. I believe that thanks to this test it will be easier for you to make a purchase decision, especially since both batteries came at a similar price. If you are looking for batteries, make sure to check the links below the video. The batteries are available on AliExpress and directly on the CNHL website. As far as I know, they are currently offered at new lower prices. So if you want to support my channel, consider buying through the links below. Okay, let's check the weight of both batteries. The 1200 mAh version is about 14 grams lighter. Let's see how this translates into the drone's performance. For my tests, as always, I'm using the Nazgul Evoque from iFlight. It's a perfect drone for battery testing because its power draw under full load is extremely high. I will run the same test as always, maximum speed, battery sec and current draw at top speed. Then I will check the flight time at 40% throttle. I always end the flight time test when the voltage reaches 3.4 volts per cell. First up is the Pizza Pro 1200 mAh. I start with the full throttle test. Shortly after takeoff I managed to reach the best result. Then I move to the flight time test. Next is the Pizza Pro 1350 mAh, and the test sequence is exactly the same as in the first case. Okay, let's move to the summary. Here are the final results. As you can see, the performance of both batteries is very high. The larger capacity gives you about 1 extra minute of flight time. The SAC on both batteries is similar, with a small advantage for the Pizza Pro 1200 mAh. To sum up, for aggressive freestyle, the Pizza Pro 1200 mAh will be the better choice. For smoother, more relaxed flying, the Pizza Pro 1350 mAh is definitely better thanks to the longer flight time while adding only a little extra weight. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you, bye bye!